I am on the Czech airport in Prague, and I know it's weird because I'm talking into a camera and I'm speaking in English, but since I'm going to London to see Julie, I've decided I'm going to speak English. Yeah, so if I make it up, okay, so if I was chicken, which I don't know how happened, but I did. This is my first time flying alone, and I'm like shaking, but it's going to be okay. Like. Okay, we are in our room and Julie is eating. It's not even 5:30.
Yeah, it's like not even 5.
Yeah, it's not even 5. But Julie is kind of sick. So we decided that today we will just stay home and, you know, catch up on some stuff. Okay, that was weird. But let me show you our room. This is the door, and there's me. Hello. This is here's my luggage. There's Julie, a TV, watching Beyonce, of course, Queen Bee. I'm going to take a shower, then we're going to eat the pizza, then I probably will go and get another pizza because this is too small. This is the big portion. Look at my hand. It's not that big. Tomorrow we will wake up pretty early, go to the, what is the place called?
Neil's Yard.
Neil's Yard, but the breakfast. I will talk to you in the morning. To you, to the camera. I feel so stupid. Okay, good night! Okay, so it's the next morning and we had some breakfast today in our hotel, but I'm alone today because everybody is looking at me, sorry. I'm alone today because Julie is sick and she needs to go to school on Monday, so we decided that it will be for the best if she would stay home. I would explore London by myself.
Okay, so now I'm walking to the Thames. I'm seeing it right there. You can't see it, but I made it here. I was like walking so long. My feet hurt so bad because I'm a really smart person, and I brought with me just these shoes. So yeah, also my tummy started to hurt. I don't know why, but maybe it's because me and Julie were not really eating healthy. Oh my god, I can see the London Eye, but now I'm going to try to find Millennium Bridge, then go to Tate Modern, then get some lunch for Julie, bring it to her, and then we will see how Julie feels, if she will join me or I will go alone again. Yeah, I think she won't join me, so I will have to go on my own again, which is fun. But yeah, London is beautiful. I like it here. It's just, yeah, I'm tired and I feel sick, so bad luck. Okay, so update. I'm totally lost again. Like where am I? I'm trying to find the, oh wait, I can go, I found it, I see it, but I don't know how to get to it. Okay, so I want to go to the Millennium Bridge, but the bridge is like right there, but it's too far, and there's like, the bridge is there, but there's this wall and this big street, and I don't know how to get over it. I'm trying to find my way there, and everybody is looking at me like, because I think I look like a psycho. Like everybody can see the confusion in my face, and I'm walking alone holding a camera. My phone died, and I still have to get to the Tate Modern, and then somehow I have to get home, and I don't know how. So very fun. Okay, so I've made it home. I'm with my little pumpkin here. I bought some soup and some sushi. Here it is. Now we will probably watch a movie. I've also changed because I think my stomach hurt from the skirt because it is too tight on me. Yeah, and you will probably not go with me out, right? Nope. And I think I'm going to stay here for some time because I'm really tired. Because I've walked like 3 hours. Yeah, I've walked like 3 hours, and then today is like 4 degrees, right? Yeah, in the heels I showed you. So now my feet hurt, my stomach hurts, I'm tired, I'm cold, and through the window. Oh yeah, we found a new thing in our beautiful room. We have an actual window, which is like 20 centimeters big. But yeah, we have some natural light. I can't even speak. Yeah, we will have the food, watch some movie, then I will probably go out again. But I will go in normal jeans, not in the skirt, not in mini skirt, because also, first a car like came by me and they were like honking? I don't know, they were just yelling at me from the car, which was very
uncomfortable. And then when I was walking here, some like weird guy, I don't know, he was kind of nice, but... And how are you doing?
Better.
Okay, so I will see you in a little bit.
It's the next morning, and as you can see, today is just so beautiful. And I'm so happy because, I don't know, like yesterday it was really, the weather was bad. It even rained for like a couple of minutes, but today it's so beautiful. So today we got up and then we had some breakfast, and then I decided to go out again. Why are these birds here? Like, what? But they are so beautiful. Are they ducks? I don't know. I don't want to sound stupid, but they are just so beautiful. Now I'm just walking. I wanted to go and see Big Ben, but it's under construction, so I decided to go see the Buckingham Palace and just walk around the park and enjoy the last hours in London because I have to leave in 3 o'clock and now it's like 10. So I'm probably going to sit somewhere in the park, read a book, and then I'm going to get lunch for Julie, and I'm going to pack my stuff and I'll have to leave, which is sad. I'm going to talk to you probably. I'm going to be back at the hotel, I don't know, but just enjoy the clips from...
So that's the end of the video. I didn't film an outro because when I got home I just got really sick. I got it from Julie. I had a fever and then I lost my voice. You can still hear like my voice is still kind of weird. So when I got home I just went straight to bed and didn't film anything else. It's been a week since I came from London and I'm starting to feel great again. I hope you enjoyed the video. I definitely enjoyed my stay in London. I know I was complaining a lot, but it was just because like I got there, you know, Julie was sick, I had to walk alone through a city that I didn't know. Then like weather was bad, it was cold. Then I brought with me just those stupid shoes. That wasn't good for walking either. But still, I really like enjoyed it. I'm so happy that I got the chance to go. It's just, you know, could have been a little better, but I mean, I'm so happy that I went. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. It means the world to me. And if you like it, give it a like. I don't know. But yeah, that's everything from me, and see ya.